Well, good afternoon, everyone. It's Friday, the 24th of June, at about 6 o'clock in the UK. I suppose that's 1 o'clock American Eastern Time. The S&P 500 has moved up strongly, up 92 points from yesterday's close. Big part of that done in the overnight market. On VectorVest, the short-term trend has turned to up. If it finishes like that, of course, still a while to go, another 3 hours to go. But all the other measures of the trend are down. It's still in a mega oversold situation. So we have a quick look at the S&P 500. That's that island that I noticed the other day. And old chartists like myself are very fond of island reversals. That has been quite a nice move yesterday, an inside day, and then, as I say, it actually broke overnight and it gapped up today. So to me, this looks like 5 down, and if we now have a look at the intraday market, that's what it did today. There is your truly's entry point. A breakout of that 5-minute bar in the direction of the trend. There's the old 21-day moving average. It's rocket science, I know. Stop loss was there, and as they say, every now and then the blind pig finds the corn. It's still moving up. I'm still holding the position. And if we have a look now at the overnight market, there's the overnight market. This is a 4-hour chart. There's the 5 waves down that I've pointed out. And to me, this is unfortunately still looking a bit corrective. This move up today is quite positive. But as you can see, this wave, this bottom impinged in that top, and that's a characteristic of a corrective move. So unfortunately, this still looks like a corrective wave up. I'm hoping that I'm wrong. Where can it go to? Well, it can easily move up now to 3920, and certainly if it got to 3920, I would take profits on my intraday position. It can easily get, I don't think today, famous last words, to 3989. That would be 62% of that, and then of course I could be completely wrong and it shoots up to heaven. We shall see. To me, this still looks a little bit corrective, although it's broken above the top of that channel top that I haven't drawn it in, but it's broken above that. As you can see, it stalled at these old highs. That was yesterday. It stalled after the overnight move. It stalled at these highs, so the shorts have lost out twice here as it moved higher. I haven't done anything apart from some positions in the SPX. Yesterday I was flat, so been a pretty good week. I've traded just 3 times on this week. I made 59 points there, flat there, and I'm up. I haven't counted it. I think it was Kenny Rogers said you should never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the dealing is done. Waiting for before any stock purchases on certainly if I were to see the short-term trend confirmed tonight upwards, then I could start to dip my toes into the market. On a personal basis, I'm actually out of circulation for probably 2 weeks. I wish it was a holiday, but it's not. I won't be doing. I don't think I'll be doing any more of these for about 10 days. In the UK, I've got 70% in cash, 30% in shares, and as you know, the UK market has suffered, whereas the American market has rallied, probably because the oil market has pulled back and the copper prices, in fact, broken support. I was reasonably happy that the oil market was at the end of a 5th wave, and I spoke to everybody about VectorVest about being very, very careful in getting into oil stocks in a crowded market, and it in fact came back on cue. 70% in cash, 30% in the UK market. I haven't done anything, and as I say, as I'm going to be out of circulation for a couple of weeks, I won't do anything. So I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Thanks very much. Bye bye.